Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the algae Spirogyra. First, the systematic position of algae Spirogyra. Spirogyra belongs to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Cryptogams, division Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Zygnematales, family Zygnemataceae, and the genus Spirogyra. Habitat or occurrence of Spirogyra. Spirogyra is a cosmopolitan freshwater filamentous green alga represented by about 300 species. Most of them are green, floating in stagnant ponds and pools. A few species are attached and some occur in running water. Spirogyra is commonly known as pond silk, water silk, pond scum, or mermaid's tree because of their bright green silky appearance. Morphology of Spirogyra. The plant body of Spirogyra is an unbranched filamentous thallus measuring about 1 meter in length. The Spirogyra filament is very slimy due to the presence of mucilage sheath that lines the whole filament. The mucilage often holds the filament together in a matted blanket. Each unbranched filament of Spirogyra consists of a number of elongated cylindrical cells of similar type joined end to end. The terminal cell is dome-shaped. In attached species, the lower non-green cell is called as holdfast or hapteron. Structure of a single cell of Spirogyra. Each cell of Spirogyra filament is cylindrical and consists of two parts, cell wall and protoplast. The cell wall is protective in function and consists of two layers, that is, inner cellulose layer and outer pectose layer. The pectose layer dissolves in water to form a slimy mucilage sheath covering the whole filament. The transfer wall, that is cross wall, between adjacent cell has middle lamella, that is septum. The protoplast is differentiated into many parts from outside to inside. These parts are plasma membrane, peripheral cytoplasm, large central vacuole, and a nucleus. The peripheral cytoplasm contains 1 to 16 spirally arranged ribbon-shaped chloroplasts along with various organelles. The margin of chloroplast may be smooth or serrated. In the chloroplast, a row of pyrenoid present at regular intervals. Each pyrenoid consists of a central protein core surrounded by a starch sheath, a single nucleus present at the central cytoplasmic mass that held in the center of vacuole. The nucleus held in position by radiating. The cytoplasmic strand transfers through the vacuole to reach the primordial utricle, that is peripheral cytoplasm. Except holdfast, all the cells of filament can divide and elongate to increase the length of Spirogyra. Reproduction in Spirogyra. Spirogyra reproduces by three different ways: vegetative method of reproduction, asexual method of reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Let us discuss the vegetative method of reproduction. By fragmentation. During the growing season, that is in favorable conditions, the vegetative filament of Spirogyra undergoes fragmentation. The fragmentation is caused either by mechanical injury or dissolution of middle lamella or development of H-shaped pieces so that each fragment independently develops into new filament by repeated cell division and elongation. Fragmentation is the most common method of multiplication in Spirogyra. Asexual reproduction in Spirogyra. Spirogyra reproduces asexually by the formation of parthenospores, that is azygospores, or aplanospores and akinets. Let us discuss one by one. First, asexual reproduction by the formation of parthenospores. Parthenospores are formed during unfavorable conditions. In Spirogyra didalia, both gametes remains in original position and each enclosed by thick cell wall and become azygospore or parthenospore. Each azygospore germinate into new filament. Second, asexual reproduction by formation of aplanospores. Under unfavorable conditions, the protoplast of each vegetative cell shrinks and develop into wall around it to form round or oval bodies known as aplanospores. Each non-motile aplanospore germinate to form a new filament. Third, asexual reproduction by the formation of akinets. Under unfavorable conditions, the vegetative cells of Spirogyra furlovi develop thick-walled cells called akinets. On the return of favorable conditions, each akinets germinates into a new filament. Sexual reproduction in Spirogyra. Sexual reproduction in Spirogyra is isogamous type. It occurs by conjugation. Conjugation is of two types, scalariform conjugation and lateral conjugation. Sexual reproduction by scalariform conjugation. It is the most common method of sexual reproduction in Spirogyra. It takes place when the two filaments come close and lie opposite and parallel to each other. Now, opposite cells develop outgrowth or protuberances called conjugation processes. At the point of contact, the tip of these processes dissolves to form conjugation tube between opposite cells. This resembles to the ladder. Hence, the conjugation is called scalariform. Scalariform is the Greek word. Scala means ladder and forma means shape or H-shaped conjugation. When the conjugation tube is forming, the protoplast of conjugating cells contract to round up and functions as gametes. The male gamete transfers through the conjugation tube into the opposite cells, that is female gametangia, and fuse with female gamete to form zygote. The zygote secretes a thick wall to become zygospore. Therefore, in the late stage of conjugation, male gametangia remain empty and female gametangia contains diploid zygospore. Sexual reproduction by lateral conjugation. It is of rare occurrence and it involves the fusion of gametes from two adjacent cells of the same filament. It is of two types, indirect lateral conjugation and direct lateral conjugation. First, indirect lateral conjugation. Two outgrowths emerge on both the sides of transverse septum of two adjacent cells, and after some growth, the two protuberances unite to form a conjugation tube of the two adjacent cells. One behave as a male gametangium while other as female gametangium. The content now behaving as a gamete from male gametangia passes through conjugation tube and enter into female gametangium. By the fusion of male and female gametes, a diploid zygospore is formed. Thus, in each second cell of the filament, a zygospore is formed. Second, direct lateral conjugation. In this type of conjugation, the male gametangia, after passing through an aperture in the transverse septum of adjoining gametangium, enters the female gametangia and fuses with the female gamete, and a diploid zygospore is formed. Germination of zygospore. Zygospore is the only diploid phase in the sexual life cycle of a Spirogyra. The decay of female gametangia causes the liberation of zygospore, which remain dormant in the pond bottom till the favorable condition returns. Zygospore wall is thick and differentiated into three layers: outer exosporium made up of cellulose, middle mesosporium with cellulose and chitin, and inner endosporium with cellulose. On return of favorable conditions, the diploid nucleus of zygospore undergoes meiosis to form 4 haploid nuclei, out of which 3 degenerates and only one remain functional. The functional zygospore with 1 haploid nucleus gradually enlarges and bursts open to release a germ tube. The repeated transverse division of germ tubes forms a new filament of Spirogyra. Life cycle of Spirogyra. In the life cycle of Spirogyra, the gametophytic generation is haploid and always gives rise to diploid sporophytic generation, and the sporophytic generation gives rise to gametophytic generation. This phenomenon is called as alternation of generation. The life cycle pattern in Spirogyra is haplontic type. At the end of growing season, the Spirogyra filament produces haploid gametes in vegetative cell called gametangia. The gametes fuse to form a diploid zygospore. At the time of germination, the zygospore nucleus undergo meiosis to produce 4 haploid nuclei, but out of them only one survives, and thus that functional zygospore gives rise to new haploid filament of Spirogyra. Therefore, in the life cycle of Spirogyra, no true alternation of distinct plants observed. Rather, alternation of chromosome numbers from haploid to diploid and back to haploid conditions can be noticed. This is all about the algae Spirogyra. Hope you will understood this.